Hello kids, welcome to the new video. Today we'll play with the bowling toys. I have some fins and some bowling ball. There are many colors. My bowling ball colors are yellow, green, orange, blue, orange, and green. Okay, let's play. First, we will start with green color bowling ball. I will hit to the pins. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, I will try with blue color balls. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Wow, yes. Now we will hit with orange color balls. 1, 2, 3. Now we will hit with yellow color ball. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yes. Last chance. Last chance. Yes. Okay. Everything is finished. I have many color pins. There are green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green color pins. I have 6 green color pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green color pins and 1 blue color pins and 2 red color pins. Red color 1, 2. I have orange color pins. Orange. I have 2 orange color. Orange color. 1, 2. And yellow color. It is also yellow. Okay, let's counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 pins. Okay kids, not today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.